That's what I say. One person go fit chop chicken, only chicken.
Some people don't say that they fit chop and yes, we dey enjoy chicken. Me and my Aboki brother, we dey enjoy chicken. Yes.
Even you are the chopper. Are the chopper plenty?
Yes. We enjoy chicken.
Oga, why see? You guys the chopper plenty.
Chopper.
Now if I chopper, I dey go my home.
Chopper.
Every day I dey hide me for here. Anytime I dey tell you, if your oga I give you this, may I dey wait for me, I call me. Wait, Aboki, I dey pass, I dey do like this. I dey park am for Guara for road for dustbin. I understand me, I go wait am for you, wait am for you for chicken.
Me, I go wait for you. I no fit wait for you. If I see you pass, I go call you. But if I no see you pass, I no go call you. Yes.
You I be wicked person,
I no be wicked person.
You I be wicked person,
I no be wicked person. I go say, ma wait for you until if I buy something or they give me, tell me ma wait for you. This one I buy no. I buy this one here.
Na lie. How much I buy am? How much I buy am?
This thing na 8,000 naira.
A good bar.
Because you say na me pursue you comot from work.
Okay, I pursue me for work, I buy me chicken, I chop.
Yes, I make I buy this one say may no say no be me pursue you for work. I still love you. Yes, na why I buy the chicken. I say I'll call you with that. Enjoy yourself.